Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Vitalik, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Jerome Powell, in his speech on the 7th of March, said that interest rates are likely to be higher, and we can see the market going down and other bad things as well. But I will get into the details in a second. Then we have here a survey made by Paxos, and according to the survey, 89% of crypto buyers still trust centralized custodians, and despite of this 2022 collapses. So yeah, that's crazy, to be honest with you. And we have here Vitalik, who dumps $700,000 worth of shitcoin he had never asked for, and guess what? The price has dropped significantly of those coins. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, if you would like to stay up to date, then Blockchain Bloom delivers every single day couple of new videos, short videos, longer videos to keep you guys up to date. So if you want that, then simply just subscribe, bell button, all that you have to do in this order, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content that I'm creating. So let's do it. And for start, as usual, let's have a look at the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is down 1.6% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum is down 0.7%. So Ethereum 1,554, Bitcoin 22,021. And when we're looking at the top gainers, we have Bone, Shiba Swap 15% up, and well, Conflux 4%, maybe here a bit more down. XRP 3.5%. That's it, pretty much. And when we're looking at the losers, well, we have here OKB 12% down, Stacks 10%, Singularity Net 9% down. Yeah, these are the top three. And when we're looking at here the Bitcoin, candlestick chart, this one is on the daily, and we can see that actually we're forming here a falling wedge, which is basically a bullish pattern, to be honest with you. However, yesterday, as you can see, we came down from here, all the way to here. So to this next level, and the lowest point so far was 21,851 US dollars. So now the question is, are we holding here, or we break through this one here and meet the next support? Because here you can see that this trend line, which this one here was broken here on the 3rd of March. Since that we out of this, then we broke this support, and now we all the way down here. And Jerome Powell said a couple of bearish things. So for first, let's talk about these. So the reason why we can see the market dropping right now is the speech from Jerome Powell. By the way, he's going to talk today as well, but I think he said the most yesterday, but we will see what else. Of course, different topic for today. So as you can see that, he said that the interest rates are likely to be higher than previously anticipated. So Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell on Tuesday cautioned that interest rates are likely to be higher than central bank policymakers had expected. If the total of the data were to indicate that faster tightening is warranted, we would be prepared to increase the pace of the rate hike, the central bank leader said in the prepared remarks for appearance this week on Capitol Hill. And Powell said that the current trend shows that the Fed inflation fighting job is not over. So basically, yes, the fight it's on, and most likely, higher interest rates. And here we have BlackRock saying that the Fed could, hike interest rate to peak at 6%. And this wasn't even in the package, a couple of days ago. So here we go. We think that there is a reasonable chance that the Fed will have to bring the Fed funds rate 6% and then keep it there for an extended period. So it's pushed out the time, this rather bearish times. The probability of half-point hike moved to 73.5%, and before the speech it was rather 25 basis point hike, and after the speech the majority agreed it will be 50 basis point hike coming on the 22nd of March. What's related to crypto, then Jerome Powell said that we don't want strangle crypto innovation, but the sector is a mess. The central bank's chairman said that the Fed is sticking to its warnings that banks should be quite cautious about getting involved in digital assets. We see in crypto activity lots of things that suggest that regulated financial institutions should be quite cautious in doing things in crypto space. So this is also not good for crypto. On the other hand, yes, the whole thing what happened with FTX, this is the biggest reason why now the focus is all on this, and they really urging crypto regulations. But definitely they don't want to stop the innovation. They just want to make sure that everything is fine in the banking sector with that, which is definitely not good for crypto, because this is the gate how you enter from fiat to crypto and out. Okay, so because of this, you can see the result. Now we going down. Right, okay, next topic. The next topic is all about that actually 89% of crypto buyers, according to a survey, still trust centralized custodians. Well, that's crazy, but let's talk about it. So what we had back in 2022, a crazy year, but what lesson was the most important? That if you keep your crypto at the centralized custodians, your crypto is in danger. Celsius, FTX, you name them, right? And then Paxos made a survey in January, now, this year, and the result is 89% still trust centralized custodians despite the 2022 collapses. Well, that's interesting, put it this way. So, however, the survey found that those that heard and followed the FTX saga, more than 57% of respondents either plan to buy more crypto or simply do nothing as a result of the news. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, they still believe in crypto. It also found that 89% respondents still trust intermediaries such as banks, crypto exchanges, and or mobile payments to hold their crypto. So to hold the crypto, that's what I really do not understand. 75% of respondents indicate that they were likely or very likely to purchase crypto from their primary bank if it were be offered. So they really want to do this through the bank. So that's what 75% saying. So to participate in the survey, you had to be over 18 years old, United States citizen, and the total household income must be greater than $50,000, and you had to purchase cryptocurrency, in the last 3 years. There were 5,000 people who participated in it, and this was the result. And this 89%, this part, that looks shocking to me. So it looks like the majority hasn't learned their lessons. Okay. And the last topic is all about that Vitalik dumps $700,000 worth of shitcoin, what he actually never has asked for. Vitalik did that already, but now again he dumps his shitcoins, what he has never asked for, and the amount was in $700,000 worth of shitcoins. And of course, what was the result? Those shitcoins dropped significantly. And the biggest loser was Shikoku, down 95%, more than that. But there are some others you can see here actually on the list if you would like to. And if you remember, back in May, in 2021, he did it already with Shiba Inu and, Doge Elon Mars, which was Elon token. And, Shiba Inu back then dropped 40%, and the other one, Elon, dropped 90%. So for some strange reason, I do know why, because this is part of the marketing campaign, that people simply sending, Vitalik's address, shitcoins on Ethereum, because then many people checking the address and saying, oh, if he's collecting this, that must be a cool project, so let's do it. But he just receives them. And then at the point he says, okay, I just had enough. I don't care about these. So let's dump it on the market. And how you can know his address? Well, back in 2018, after he was accused of holding 75% of the supply of ETH with the fellow Ethereum co-founder Joe Lubin during the token pre-mining sales, he, confirmed his wallet, and therefore people know it. And that's what they're doing. These projects sending him shitcoins, and well, actually, to be honest, he made quite good money of it. I don't know if he kept this money or whatever he's doing with it. But bottom line, lesson learned: if you have a shitcoin, do not send it to Vitalik, because he's going to sell it. He has proven this already the second time, and then your project will be down significantly. But it's up to those guys who are doing that. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day, couple of videos here on Blockchain Bloom. Topic always crypto, blockchain. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date in this area, simply subscribe, a button all. That's the only thing you have to do, and then you will get the notifications as soon as the newest video is out. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Really quickie, and I highly appreciate it. Well, I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.